Hey, good morning to you, the bold and brave. This is JD Hoovener with Bold Patents, answering a question today about, are patents intellectual property? And the answer is yes, for sure. And I think it's a good question because it's got four major parts of intellectual property. You probably heard that word, maybe even the acronym IP before. And that's exactly what it stands for, intellectual property. And the four main areas of IP include patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. And some people would actually try to bundle in privacy, but that's a separate area of law. And really those four, patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets, make up that group of four intellectual property. So patent law, which was part of the question, protects inventions, and that can be designs or functional utility, right? Mechanical or electrical, even computer methods or processes. Whereas on the design side, it protects three-dimensional shapes, unique pieces of art, if you will, things that can be made with an article of manufacture. So the second one is trademarks. Trademarks protect brands, words, designs, logos, that type of thing. And the third is copyright. Copyright is giant. Copyright protects any type of creative work that is from the artist and is fixed in a tangible means. So long as you can, show that you've created that artwork on a canvas, prove that it's been recorded, like the song has been recorded in even a digital MP3 format, certainly a record, those sort of things. And the last one is trade secret, which is sort of mysterious because there's really no certification or registration that you get, but it is certainly intellectual property. And usually is protected within a company around the contracts that they have with their employees and sometimes even contractors, where there's an exchange, a contractual exchange. Hey, you're going to become an employee, a trusted person within this company. We're going to give you access to our inside baseball, our inside knowledge in terms of how we're more competitive and how we have additional leg up over the competition, whether it's through the spreadsheets, the pricing model, the sales approach, or sometimes more technical, which is, hey, here's how we've made our process. Here's how we've connected these two systems over the years and found a way to do it faster, cheaper, more affordably, or less cost than our competitors. And want to make sure that even if that individual leaves the company, that they're not unable, at least under the contract law, to share that with a competitor or start their own company and use the knowledge that they learned in-house. So intellectual property definitely includes patents as the first one, trademark, copyright, and trade secret. All right, guys, take care. Have a good rest of your day. Go big, go bold.